Hey folks, look what we got here. My daughter went crazy and wrote all over it. Birthday, happy birthday from Caitlin, all kinds of crap. It's not a birthday present, it was a Christmas present to my son. And he wants me to open it up and put it together for him. Let's see what it is. Let's open this bad boy up. I got my trusty knife. Yeah, that's what we use to open up boxes. I don't know what it is. I think I know what it is. I bought it, so it's another box. It's a box inside a box. Oh, we're knocking shit over. Trying to do this in the kitchen. Can you get that out? Our box won't come out. There it is, Mrs. Young. She's getting it open. Oh, rip the box. Oh, she ripped the box. You know how I am about ripping boxes. I don't like it. That's why I use a knife.
Yeah.
What's this? Phone. Woo! Look at that.
It's a chainsaw.
It's a chainsaw? Is that what they call it? The chainsaw. I call them chainsaws. I guess my wife calls them chainsaws. Look at this, folks. It's a brand new chainsaw. $77 chainsaw. Probably the cheapest chainsaw I could find on eBay. Does it have a bar? It has a chain. It has a chain, folks. It's supposed to have a bar. Oh, it's got a bar. We found a bar. Comes with a few tools. Comes with a trusty chainsaw book that we ain't gonna use. Throw that out. And it comes with a Allen wrench. What the heck would you need that for? Don't know. We'll throw that there. Throw the box on the floor because we're running out of room. Ugh, it comes with a lot of stuff here. I don't know how this is gonna work. A lot of stuff. Look at that. You wouldn't think $77 you could get a whole chainsaw. Chinese chainsaw. It even comes with the oil thing, so you can put your gas in it, and oil thing, and all that. We're not never going to use that crap. Throw that away. Plastic. Should we throw it away? No, we might use it for something, but we're not going to use it for that. It even comes with a case on it, on the bar. Bars in there. Look at that. Professional. Folks, there you go. It's a professional. I don't know if you can see that very good, but it says professional. I guess we're a professional now. I feel like a professional. Look at the stuff that's in this tool case. Give you one nut, one bolt. I guess we're missing bolts. That's great. Yeah, we're missing one bolt to hold on the thing. Must have fell out. I'll look in the other box and see if it's in there. Might have fell out in there, I don't know. It's not there. fall out there. That's too bad. Missing a bolt. I don't know where it is. I don't know what we're going to do now. Let's see. Let's take out the plastic. It's already missing one bolt that I can see. Maybe I have one somewhere that I can use. Yep, it's missing a bolt. So it comes missing a bolt. Throw that on the floor. Pick it up later. Oh, it's got a handbrake. It seems to work. It does pull over. It's got a little. Pulls up quite far before it pulls. Got a throttle hook. Throttle lock on it. Must have had something there. Well, got a choke. On and off switch. It's not too bad for $88 chainsaw. Folks, I don't know. We'll find out how good these chainsaw is for $88. Oh, I think I just found the other bolt. Aha! There it is. So we're not missing the little bolt. Found it. It was inside there. It fell inside there. So I got both bolts. Yes. Now we can take this apart. Get the. We're gonna get the dogs put on, and then we're gonna get the bar put on. Then I'll have another video of it running later on. Hopefully today. How's this come on? You gotta latch it. Huh? You gotta latch it to get the thing, to get the cover off. There's the cover. It goes over this. And then we got the dogs here. Make sure I put them on the right way. Which way you want them? Down or up? Probably up. Oh, maybe not. Maybe you go this way. No, they definitely go up. So when you're cutting the chainsaw, boy, that's pretty thin there. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know how that's going to work. It's pretty thin. And not going to go through there, but hopefully it holds it on there. Very thin, hardly any material there. I guess you get what you pay for, $77. $77 free shipping for a chainsaw. It's probably equivalent to a 51 Husky. I don't know about Johnson Red or any of those, but it's probably what it's equivalent to. I don't know if it says anything in the manual that I threw on the floor and picked back up. And what size it is here. I think it's like a 50 cc's or something. It's got a self-oiler. It's even got a screw for the oiler. Make it oil faster or slower. Most saws don't have that. That's a pretty good idea. Tells you how to keep your chain clean. 52 cc's, folks. I don't know if you can see that, but right there on top, 52 cc's. So, that's a pretty powerful chainsaw. I guess that's what the... No, it's not. The Allen wrench is for this one. Oh, look at that. They even give you the Allen wrench to put it together. You get all the tools to put it together. If you can hold on to them. Put them on. Here I am in the kitchen putting the chainsaw together. It's kind of cold outside. I don't have any heat in my shop, so at least not yet. I will have next year, hopefully. Drop that on the floor. Yeah, I dropped that right on the floor. Folks, this is how you put a chainsaw together, I guess. Probably not the best way to do it, but it's my way. Right in the kitchen. We won't put gas in it today. That'll be a later date when I go outside. We're on this Corona lockdown, so thought I'd do stuff that I haven't done. I put this my son called and wanted the chainsaw together. Dad, can you put my chainsaw together that I got for Christmas? Yeah, I put it together. I bought this one for my son. I bought one for my nephew for $77. Maybe they'll stop using mine. Try to get them each one so that they'd leave my saws alone. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. The chain looks really nice. It's really well built chain for the price. I'm surprised. The bar seems pretty good. 18-inch bar. I hate unraveling chains. It seems like a nightmare. Every time I unravel these sons of guns, it's a pain in the butt. The chain looks pretty good. Don't look that bad. It looks pretty. Looks like a pretty good chain. I mean, it ain't the greatest chain in the world, but I think it'll work. The bar is pretty sturdy, hard, heavy. Looks like it's pretty nice. The end runs. It's even got grease fittings, so you can grease the ends. A lot of the saws today don't have those. A lot of people don't even grease them. You know, but if you're a professional, you know how to grease it up, grease your tips, and keep your tips going. That's what you should do. Yeah. Let's get the chain off the tip first. Here. Get it around there. Maybe we'll get it on better. Not sure how this little plastic piece is going to last. That's for when the chain comes off, I guess. There. Flip it back over so you can see. Trying to get the chain on there. The tightener must be on this. Oh yeah, so the tightener is built right into this. The handle. The brake. screw that down. Try to slide this back on. Put my nuts back on. It looks like a pretty well built saw. I mean, for 88 bucks, it's not terribly refined. But for $88, I don't know how they can build a chainsaw that runs. But the Chinese can do it, I guess. Chinese chainsaw. Professional tool, it says. So it's kind of professional, I guess. This is a kind of a bad spot here to tighten your bar. Doesn't make it easy. Oh, but it's working. Folks, it works. It's tightening right up. So that's a good thing. Let me get it where it belongs. That would be the first thing, you know? Put it in there where it belongs. Loosen that up a little bit. I think I tightened it a little bit too much. And the screw has got like a Phillips on it, so if you do strip it out, it looks like you can still use it. So you can get this chain on there where it belongs. There we go, that's more like it. That's more like where it belongs. A little bit loose, but it looks like it's where it belongs. That's what it looks like, anyways. A little noisy in there. But what do you want for $88 chainsaw, I guess? Made in China. Doesn't mean it's a bad saw, made in China. There's a lot of saws made in China. I didn't look, but I do got my chain on the right way. Thank gosh. Make sure if you do put a chainsaw together, you put your chain on the right way. Cuts a lot easier. Seems to be working. Don't seem to have any too much. Does make a little noise in there. Let's take a look at the bottom, but everything looks good there. We got the chain on. Not too tight. You don't want to run the chain too tight. You'll have it'll wear it out fast, wear out your bar. Every once in a while you want to flip your bar over so the professional's upside down for a while to try to keep the bar wearing evenly. It's not a very heavy saw. It's not bad. Not bad at all. We'll have a video on it, how it works. You can get these saws on eBay. They're not paying me for nothing, so it's not even really a name. It's a 9800 professional tool. All it says, professional tools. So you look up 9800 professional tools on eBay, you should be able to find one of these saws. That's how I got mine. That's pretty good right there. Not too overly tight. Just turn a little hard, but oh. Yeah, it's back together. That might, that's locked. Unlocked. It's new, it works a little hard, but I think it'll work. It's not a bad shape, not a bad saw for $77, I don't think, folks. There you go. Chainsaw, 9800. Made in China. Comes with a handy dandy. Oh, it's a 20-inch bar on here. So 20-inch bar comes with, and chain. And I throw it on the floor. And you even got a chain guard, plastic chain guard. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Fits on good. Good and snug. Hopefully we wouldn't lose that. Exhaust looks good. There you go, folks. We put this chainsaw together. Didn't take too long. I've been videotaping for 21 minutes. It's from unboxing and putting it together, so all I gotta do is put gas and oil in it, and we can try it out later. They got a nice oil port. Oh, it's even, so you can't lose it. Gas is over here, and you can't lose that one. It does smell like gas, so somebody had gas in it. I guess they probably try them, make sure that they run before they send them out from the company. So there you go. Later on, in a few days here, I'll put some gas and oil in it, start it up, and show you folks how it works. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie out. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Not the constructions. In the comments. And we put this saw together without using the constructions. So you can do it. Trusty tools come with it. You can sharpen it. If you believe in these little sharpeners, they're probably pretty good. You can adjust the carburetor. They give you a screwdriver. You get the Allen wrenches. You get pretty much everything. You don't even need to buy any tools, folks. Thanks a lot for watching. Give me that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about these videos. Louie out.